Namaste. Hearty congratulations to the academic prize winners of Ispat English Medium School Junior Section Sector 18. It is for the session 2019 and 20. My dear students, you got success due to your hard work and sincerity. My advice to all winners is that you should learn how to face failure, as life is not always bed of roses. Probably for this reason, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam has told we should read failure story, not the success story. Those who have not received any award should not be disappointed. In my opinion, each child is unique. If you have got talent in one field, you can do best in your study. Means, if you are good in dancing, if you are good in singing, if you are good in playing karate, or if you are good in playing football, then 100% we should be 100% sure that you will do the best in your study. Only thing you have to do is that you have to be more focused in study. Due to COVID-19, you are not coming to school. We are not able to organize any functions, and that is the reason. For that reason, we called students in staggered manner to collect their academic prizes. We collected congratulation messages for students from Dr. Beaker, Principal IEMS, Sri Manoj Agarwal, GM Education Town Services, and Sri P.K. Das, GM in charge Town Services. And by taking their messages, we prepared a video with the photos of winners in digital platform. At last, on behalf of Ispat English Medium School Junior Section 18, I congratulate to the winners, and I encourage all students to study hard, prepare well for their future, and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Good morning, students. I congratulate all those who will get academic prizes for the year 2019 and 20. Others should not be disappointed. They should compete and they should come first, second, third in the class to get this prize in coming years. Thank you.
Very good morning, my dear children. On this Academic Excellence Award Day, I wish all of you a very happy morning, and I congratulate all of you for doing such an excellent work in your studies, and I just wish that you will reach newer heights. And on this occasion, I like to congratulate each and every student who has done wonders and who has achieved so much in their academics. Further, I will also like to request my other children who could not achieve academic excellence award this year that they should work hard so that they are able to get such awards the next time, because there are so many opportunities in different fields. And at the same time, I would like to say that not only in academics, all of you should also try to do something new, something interesting, and something different in the field of extracurricular activities. Sports all are equally important for overall development of children and overall development of personality. At the same time, I would like to congratulate and thank you, the principal and the staff of this sector IEMS sector 18, for this putting all of their efforts so that children are able to achieve so much in their academics and in other fields. And last year I have seen this that's how much talent is there in the children of IEMS sector 18 in our little kids, whether it is in academics, whether it is art and craft, whether it is in sports, or whether it is any other thing, painting and arts and all this. So I will just like to congratulate you once again, and I wish you all the very best. Thank you.
It's my pleasure to address you in this occasion of handing over the Academic Excellence Awards for securing positions in the examination, annual examination in the previous class. Please continue this spirit of academic excellence in future also. This year, as you know, due to this COVID pandemic, we are facing a lot of problem. There is no physical classes. However, we have put on best efforts to provide you online education, and you have been availing the same and doing well in the online examinations also. We hope that this situation will not be there for long, and we will meeting you in the classes once it resumes after the government clears the path. And I wish you all the best in your life and all the success in coming days. Please do well, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you very much.
Hearty congratulations to the academic prize winners of class 3 session 2019 to 2020. Now you are in class 4. I will read their names. For class 3A, first prize goes to Pratiti Swai, second prize goes to Prajakta Bhuya, third prize goes to Tanmay Bera. For class 3B, first prize goes to Adyasakti Sasmal, second prize goes to Amit Kumar Sahu, third prize goes to Anchal Dalai. For class 3C, first prize goes to Barsita Roy, second prize goes to Madhusmita Sahu, and third prize goes to Dipya Smaraki Sahu. Thank you.